The Canon Aircode 007 error is a malfunction in the printer's film rotation, and it is usually indicated by a display of this code on the printer. This error typically occurs due to a faulty fuser sensor, which fails to detect film rotation for at least 6 seconds when the fixing motor is running. Common causes of this issue include a faulty fuser film, a dirty sensor lens, or a faulty pressure roller. To resolve the error, a hard restart can be performed by switching off the printer, disconnecting it from the power source for at least a minute, and then reconnecting it, which can help clear minor faults such as short circuits. Additionally, checking the fuser unit can help identify and solve problems. This involves removing the fuser unit, manually rotating the film to check for faults, replacing the film if necessary, applying grease or fuser oil to the inner side of the film if it is dry, and cleaning the film sensor lens if it is dirty. If the pressure roller is faulty, it should be repaired or replaced. If these interventions do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact support for further assistance.